Well, here we go with a test run on a motor for Tora in Ville Platte. It's a 1958 7.5 horsepower Johnson. Got her in the barrel, making a test run on her. She's a beauty. I mean, this motor came out really well. Completely restored. Completely redone. I still got to put the rubber mount around here. I got the knobs being painted right now, and I got the silencer, the prop, faceplate right here to put on after I'll barrel test her. So I've been running her. She runs great. Let me give her a start here. See how she runs. Man, I'm telling you, that thing idles down just as sweet, purrs like a kitten. Almost doesn't want to die when you power it down to kill it. Alright, well, that's a successful barrel test. Still finished painting the hood inside. We'll be taking her out on the water real soon. See y'all next video. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. You know, here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, my passion are the vintage outboard motors, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, Johnson and Evinrudes. I just love them. And my mission is to have every part, every video, and every parts manual you need to repair, service, and restore those vintage outboard motors. And I think I've come pretty close to doing that. I have a website. Go ahead and click on it. It's the first link down below. It's tmikesvintageoutboards.com. On that website is the best way to reach me. You can find my mail-in service repair where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, your magneto. I'll repair it, test it, and video it, and put it on YouTube for you to see. I also have all the parts you need right there on that website. I have technical consulting. If you need some questioning, I have a donation page. You can donate some money and ask me questions, and I can get back to you. That's really my best way to contact me is through my website, T. Mike's Vintage Outboards. So I love what I do. I love my passion. I love helping people, and it's been a great ride. So remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.